Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm excited to be sharing a product release video for the Sparkle Season Holiday Release. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Dainty Scallop Circle die set. The Dainty Scallop Circle die set contains a total of 5 scalloped circle dies, coordinating with some of the dies in our Modern Embossed Circle Stack die set, which is sold separately. The largest circle measures 4.7 inches. And our smallest measures 1.9 inches. Now let's take a look at a card that I made using our Dainty Scallop Circle die set. So much fun. And now let's take a quick look at a card that Emily made for us. It's so beautiful. Be sure to check out all that Trinity Stamps has going on over on their blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.